think, Ritzy Roo? Do you think we can garden in this cold, arse weather? Frost everywhere. Well, at least the water isn't frozen. Welcome back to the Backyard Homesteader. I'm Priscilla. Thanks for joining me today. It's so cold out here. Can we get anything done? Come on, let's check it out. There is frost all over this grass. Uh-oh. Zero, what you doing? Such a good girl. You're a good girl. Your mama's a good girl. Your mama's a good girl. Yes, you are. Yes, you are mama's good girl. Uh-oh. What's that, Ritzy? What's that? I spy a gopher hole. What the heck? What the heck, Ritzy Roo? What's down there? Can you find it? Well, check this out. I think my artichoke plant, only the new growth seems decent. See that? All these other older leaves, which honestly I was going to cut them down anyway, but yeah, too much frost. It is like 29 out here right now, and the artichoke plant is not happy, but my last little broccoli is happy. Look at that. It's not even dew. It's freaking frost. Oh my goodness. I really, really, really am so excited for my garden time. Well, shallots and garlic are looking good over there. Whoops, sorry baby. Let's go see real quick. Yeah, okay, shallots are happy. It's freezing cold out and my bok choy is still molting. Look at that. That's pretty weird. This one's like over. What the heck? How weird is that? I don't know. Garlic's happy. Garlic's happy. Alright. Chrissy, somebody got some mess in your little area, huh? Get out of there. Go on. Go on. Rose mint. Nice and frosty this morning. It's hanging in there. Thank goodness. Remember I cut my chives back. Probably a good thing. I'm in charge. Still hanging in there. That. Oh my gosh. Yeah, even my lavender is drooping. Oopsies. Celery's hanging in there. Look at that. Look at that beautiful celery coming along. Nice. Little celery's there. Not doing so good. Woohoo! This is my amazing carrots. They're a little droopy though. A little droopy. Gosh darn it. look at all these. They fell over. It's just too cold. But look at here. This rainbow chart is super duper happy. Right on. Right on, right on. These flowers, they love the sun, so they're not open yet. They'll be open later today. They're gorgeous. Yes, indeed. All right. Hey, little one. What's up? What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? Huh? What? What? Tell Mama. Tell Mama. Tell Mama. Is somebody in your yard? Huh? Is somebody in your yard? Well, tell them they're not allowed unless they've been invited. Right? Go get them. It's cold out here. Look at those ears. It's cold out here. She's looking. She's looking. She's looking. Okay, so here's the deal. It was way too cold out here yesterday morning, again this morning, but let's go look at the artichoke. Guys, I had to trim it back. It was so droopy. Look at that. Yep. Oh, the ones over there. But check this out. See what's down there? Do you see it? Do you see it? Do you see it right down there? We've got here too. We've got artichokes growing. So hopefully it doesn't stay cold much longer, because I don't know if this plant will survive another freeze. These look pretty happy, but you know what it looked like before. Yeah, I don't know. We'll see.